Hey, welcome. It's Amanda, Creative Gardener, and I've got another little friend for you to meet. Wow, and the friend has had a friend. So, what have we got here? This is curry leaf tree. This is how they look when they're small, obviously. And yeah, the person I got this from grew it from seed. And so when I brought it, again, it was just one of these. And now look at it. This is similar in terms of, not similar to the plant Suriname cherry, but when I got them, they were both small plants, and I showed you that earlier, a few weeks ago. And this one has very aromatic leaves, and it's used in cooking in India, and it's called the curry leaf tree, curry tree. Ooh. Be having issues of some sort, but we don't want to get involved with you. Yeah, so I'd planted this here, and then I had planted sugarcane, not realizing how big they grow and how much space they'll need. So I'm hoping that these sugarcane will get to their maturity, and then when I cut it, I can move their location when I replant. But what I noticed with the curry leaf tree is that it had, I didn't even see when it's seeded, but there's another little plant growing here. So what I need to do is move this, because obviously it's a tree. It's a fairly low growing tree, I think. For some reason 10 feet comes to mind, but I will put up the correct details, and I'll also put up information about its uses and properties. But I'm really pleased that I have a tree that has, so many great properties, can be used in cooking, and is so flavoursome, and when you touch the leaves it's got a beautiful smell. So this is just a quick video just to introduce you, and we'll look at its growth over time, and also the growth of this little one that appeared. I only noticed it the other day, so it must have seeded and dropped a seed and has delighted us with its growth. Sounds like the postman. Yep. Anyway, so take care for now. I'll keep you updated. I had to just, there were some, I think, aphids on it, so I just have to keep an eye on it, and yeah, just monitor its growth. So take care for now, and I will see you again soon. But this is the curry leaf tree, curry tree, and yeah, it's going to be great once it's full size and we can, really harvest some of those leaves. Anyway, take care for now, and I'll see you soon.